Hi, I'm Sue and I work for the Brentwood School's Christian Worker Trust. Today's story is all about some very wise and learned men who see a sign and decide to follow it up. This is the story of the wise men. Jesus was born in the town of Bethlehem in Judea during the time when Herod was king. After Jesus was born, some wise men from the east came to Jerusalem. They asked, "Where is the baby who was born to be king of the Jews? We saw his star in the east. We came to worship him." When King Herod heard about this new king of the Jews, he was troubled. And all the people in Jerusalem were worried too. Herod called a meeting of all the leading priests and teachers of the law. He asked them where the Christ would be born. They said, "In the town of Bethlehem in Judea. The prophet wrote about this in the scriptures. It says, 'But you, Bethlehem, in the land of Judah, you are important among the rulers of Judah. A ruler will come from you. He will be like a shepherd for my people, the Israelites.'" Then Herod had a secret meeting with the wise men who had come from the east. He learned from them the exact time they saw the star. Then Herod sent the wise men to Bethlehem. He said to them, "Go and look carefully to find the child. When you find him, come and tell me. Then I can go and worship him too." The wise men heard the king and then left. They saw the same star they had seen in the east. It went before them until it stopped above the place where the child was. When the wise men saw the star, they were filled with joy. They went to the house where the child was and saw him with his mother, Mary. They bowed down and worshipped the child. They opened the gifts they brought for him. They gave him treasures of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. But God warned the wise men in a dream not to go back to Herod, so they went home to their own country by a different way. My goodness, those wise men, they travelled a long way to worship Jesus. And what about that horrible Herod? He only wanted to find out so he could get rid of the baby. I wonder how the wise men felt when they finally got down and kneeled at the baby's feet. I wonder how they felt when they saw the star that would guide them. Who guides you in your life? Well, I hope you've enjoyed this Christmas story, and I hope you have a really happy Christmas. Bye.